Kajingmi Shakmat Jingdawa Students Union JSU Bandawa na Sarkar Jilla ban Pynlong ya Jowai kum ka sama capital kala Pynlong yo MLA kan National People's Party NPP na Jowai uba Wailadmiki Shilla ban ong balada ka urlong kan bha palat. Hapakran sikilat pathai kubor ha kanok phai sgi jong ka khat saw tare ujambang arja arpusan uba Wailadmiki Shilla uloong balada ka la ban urlong te ka long ka babyang hendre ka shongpat ha ka Sarkar Jilla ban shim ya karai.
No, if it is possible, if it is viable, then obviously why not? But right now, that's also depend on the government. Right now, so I don't think I'll be able to say much. But if it is possible and viable, I will be very happy. See, this is a very initial stage because I have to listen to the view of the public. Because right now there are few NGOs who has come up with this. So there are still, because like I said, it is very at the initial stage. So I will discuss with other NGOs or other association and all. Then later, if really means like everyone if really on for this, then why not? Then I'll pursue it with the government.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la ikan diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya